Welcome to the second part of this tutorial. Let me remind you that we were learning how to compose a sequence inside a mobile phone screen. The first thing that we have to do is go to the phone green screen edge project and load it. We click on load project and we see the folder tree again, and inside data folder we've got the phone green screen h01.m. So I'm gonna open it, and here we got the last composition from the first part of the tutorial, and I'm gonna save it as the second part of the M. So gonna call it 02 and save as. Okay, in this part of the tutorial we're going to work uh, fixing a little mistake that we have. We're gonna correct this black pixel over here, and we're going to save the green button, and finally we're going to create a fake screen over the football clip, like a crystal. So let's start by fixing the light mistake. So we're going to disconnect this connection and move it. Gonna delete this input. Okay, and we have to go to the green screen node, go to the alpha view, and here we can see the black pixel. So to fix this little problem, we just need to create a shape. I'm gonna create a shape maybe around here. Go to input alpha and select keep. Choose as shape combine the add option, and here we got our shape. So now we've got to animate it a little bit. So let's press Auto key, and I'm gonna add a key over here, another one over here, and I'm gonna try to animate this shape with only a little keyframes. Okay, that's enough. So we've got the problem fixed, and if you go to the RGB, you can see that we don't have the black pixel. So now it's okay. Okay, the next problem that we're going to learn to fix is to save the green button. So I'm gonna go to the base phone clip, press Alt button, and duplicate this node. And now I'm gonna click Gauss, click base phone, and I'm gonna add a Com3D. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is to create a shape over the bottom. So I'm gonna go to the base phone clip. I'm gonna call it bottom, and just going to create a shape here. I'm gonna create some shape just like that. And okay, we've got the shape created, and we need to animate this shape again. Okay, I'm gonna set the auto key. I'm gonna add the key right here. I'm gonna add the key here again, and I'm gonna move the 4 vertex. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, and with the shape. And now I'm gonna move it a little bit and move it outside the clip. Okay, and here we got the green screen with our shape correctly animated. But if we go to the alpha view, we see that there's no alpha on this clip. So we need to select the input alpha as invert, and the combine shape, the shape combine as add. And if we go to the RGB, we just double click this this node. We see all the clip, but if we add the node to the Compositing, here we can see the green button information correctly. Okay, so we have fixed the second problem of this clip. So let's start working on the fake screen. So let's create some noise to put over the screen. So we go to the effects tab, go to noise generator, click on noise node, and I'm gonna give it a radius around 3. Okay, I've got some stripes, and I'm gonna animate these stripes a little bit. So let's auto key and add a key, on 3, and here and choose 3 again, going to the 50 frame and choose 3 again, and go to the 25 frame, choose 6 point, and to the 75 and choose 6. Okay, I'm gonna insert this value, and okay, we got the 3. Okay, if you go to the 0 frame, we got 3, 25, 25 frame, we got 6, 50 frame, we've got 3, 75, we've got 6, and 100, we've got 3. So if we see the animation, we've got a little movement over here, so that's enough for now. And the next step is to choose a noise node, press Alt button, duplicate the node, go select both nodes, go to the keyer and add external keyer, double click the node to see what is doing. So we see the animation, and if we go to the alpha channel, we see that we've got the same information on the alpha channel. So now we can add a gauge to blur it a little bit. So I'm gonna double click on gauge, go to the RGB and give it a radius around 20. I think it's enough. Maybe we can animate it to 20, 20 and 30. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this output to the Com3D, go to the RGB view, and we can see that we've got the noise over the clip, but the stripes are not correct, so we have to roll it by adding a framing node, double click on Com3D to see the final result, one click on framing and roll it till 23. I think it's okay. And we need to scale it too, so let's scale it a little bit. That's enough. And now we're going to add some connect to make it clear, or to make clear this combo. Okay, I'm gonna see the information over here, and I'm gonna change this name to crystal. And now I'm gonna give a blend of 60 point. I think it's okay. And that's this compo result. So let's connect the both compo. So we're going to click one compo and the other one, going to the Com3D node, and we're going to connect both inputs. Yes. Okay. And now we can see that we got the fake screen inside the football match. We need to give it a little more blend parameter, maybe 75, and it's okay. And if we go to the last Com3D node, I'm gonna set the project dimension and select solid as a background and add a layer called layer 1 screen, call layer 2 phone, and now I'm gonna render this result. So let's double click Com3D, go to output, choose movie, search our format file. I'm gonna choose the mph4 and give it a name from green screen render 02, because this is the second part of this tutorial, and go to do render and click on render. We can see the time that we have to wait. And here we got the node with the final result. And if we go to the media tab, we can see a new folder called phone green screen render 02, where we can find two files. One is the render node over here, and the other one is a file that you can find if you go to the Mamba media, select the project phone green screen H, and go to movies, and here we got the phone green screen render 02. If we double click, we can see the final result. And till here this tutorial, if you have any questions, or if you need to solve any problem, please feel free to ask me, and I will be pleasure to help you if I can. So